Here's the exact way to restore your OBS Studio from backup. So first of all, you have to go to your OBS Studio and click on File and open Show Settings folder. In this directory, you have to select Roaming, and under Roaming folder, here you get your OBS Studio folder. Now exit your OBS Studio, and then you have to delete this OBS Studio folder. Once the folder deleted, navigate to the folder which folder contains your OBS Studio backup file. Just cut or copy this OBS Studio file from here, backup file from here, and then open the OBS roaming folder, and here all you have to need, just press Ctrl V to paste the OBS Studio backup file. Once done, go ahead and relaunch the OBS Studio. And as you can see, I've successfully restored my OBS from backup file. Thanks for watching.